Let us walk to the river. Let us walk to the river. Yes, I love the river. Yes, I love the river.
The water looks very calm. The water looks very calm.
Yes, it looks so peaceful. Yes, it looks so peaceful. Bring the storybook, Emma. Bring the storybook, Emma. I have the book here. I have the book here. I have the book here. Let us read the ending. Let us read the ending. Yes, I am very excited. Yes, I am very excited. She meets her old friend. She meets her old friend. The flowers welcome her back. The flowers welcome her back. This is a happy ending. This is a happy ending. Me too, it feels warm. Me too, it feels warm. The story teaches us kindness. The story teaches us kindness.
The story teaches us kindness. The story teaches us kindness.
Yes, kindness makes people happy. Yes, kindness makes people happy.
You are very kind, Emma. You are very kind, Emma.
You are kind too, Oliver. You are kind too, Oliver. Look, birds are near us. Look, birds are near us. They want some breadcrumbs. They want some breadcrumbs.
I brought some bread today. I brought some bread today.
That is very thoughtful, Oliver. That is very thoughtful, Oliver.
Let us feed the birds. Let us feed the birds.
Yes, they look so hungry. Yes, they look so hungry. The birds are eating happily. The birds are eating happily. I love watching the birds. I love watching the birds.
This river is very beautiful. This river is very beautiful. Beautiful.
Yes, I love this place. Yes, I love this place. We finished the whole book. We finished the whole book. Yes, thank you for it. Yes, thank you for it. I will remember this story. I will remember this story.
The market has many books. The market has many books.
Let us visit the market. Let us visit the market.
Yes, we can go tomorrow. Yes, we can go tomorrow.
I am looking forward to it. I am looking forward to it.
The sun feels warm today. The sun feels warm today.
Yes, the sunshine is lovely.
We should walk back now. We should walk back now.
Yes, it is getting late. Yes, it is getting late.
Thank you for this afternoon. Thank you for this afternoon. Thank you for this afternoon.
Thank you for the story. Thank you for the story.
See you at college tomorrow. See you at college tomorrow.
Yes, see you tomorrow. Yes, see you tomorrow.
Goodbye, Emma. Take care. Goodbye, Emma. Take care.